Hey there, Financial Freedom fam! Ready to turbocharge your journey to financial independence and early retirement? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide: 16 assets to attain financial freedom and retire early. Whether you're stacking cash in high-yield accounts or mastering the art of crypto, we've got you covered. But hey, we want to hear from you too. Drop a comment below with your favorite financial asset, stocks, real estate, or maybe even that secret side hustle. Let's build wealth together. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more golden nuggets on financial freedom basics. 1. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional accounts, maximizing your savings growth potential. When choosing one, consider factors like interest rates, fees, and minimum balance requirements to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. These accounts are crucial for building emergency funds, providing quick access to cash during unexpected situations without sacrificing significant interest earnings. 2. Stocks. Investing in stocks involves buying shares of ownership in companies, aiming for capital appreciation and dividends. Diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and industries helps spread risk. Stocks offer the potential for substantial long-term growth, driven by company performance and market trends. 3. Bonds. Bonds are debt securities, where investors lend money to governments or corporations for a fixed period, earning regular interest payments. Government bonds are typically safer, but offer lower returns compared to corporate bonds, which carry higher risk. Bonds provide stability in a portfolio, generating predictable income streams. 4. Real estate investments. Investing in rental properties involves purchasing residential or commercial real estate to generate rental income and benefit from property appreciation. Real estate investment trusts, RIAs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate, offering investors a passive way to invest in real estate with potential for dividends and capital gains. 5. Index funds. Index funds mirror a market index's performance by investing in the same stocks or bonds, offering diversification and lower costs compared to actively managed funds. They're ideal for passive investors seeking long-term wealth accumulation through broad market exposure. 6. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets managed by professional portfolio managers. They vary in management style. Active managers aim to outperform the market, while passive managers aim to match index performance. Choosing mutual funds involves considering fees, performance history, and investment objectives. 7. Retirement accounts. 401k IRA. Retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs offer tax advantages to encourage retirement savings. 401ks allow contributions directly from your paycheck, often with employer matching, maximizing your retirement savings potential. IRAs provide flexibility with contributions and tax treatments. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deferred growth, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free withdrawals in retirement. 8. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks distribute a portion of company profits to shareholders as dividends, providing regular income. Companies with a history of consistent dividend growth offer stability and potential for compound growth when dividends are reinvested into more shares. 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders, offering potential higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. Diversifying across multiple loans mitigates risk, though borrowers' creditworthiness and economic conditions can impact returns. 10. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets designed for secure, decentralized transactions, utilizing blockchain technology. They offer potential for high returns, but come with volatility and regulatory risks. Long-term potential lies in blockchain innovation and broader adoption as a digital store of value or medium of exchange. 11. Precious metals. Gold, silver, and other metals act as inflation hedges and safe haven assets during economic uncertainty. Storage costs and liquidity considerations are important, with gold historically maintaining value over time. 12. Business ownership. Starting a business or investing in a franchise offers potential for significant returns and passive income generation. Scalability and growth depend on market demand, business strategy, and operational efficiency. 13. Intellectual property. Intellectual property, IP, generates income through patents, copyrights, and royalties from creative works. Protecting IP rights ensures legal ownership and potential revenue streams from licensing agreements or sales. 14. Annuities. Annuity provide guaranteed income streams in retirement with types including fixed, variable, and indexed annuities, offering different payout structures and investment options. Considerations include fees, surrender charges, and suitability based on retirement income needs. 15. Education and skills. Investing in education and skills enhances earning potential and career opportunities, adapting to market demands and personal development goals. Lifelong learning ensures staying relevant in a dynamic job market. 16. Health savings accounts, HSAs. HSAs offer triple tax advantages. Contributions are tax-deductible, grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. Investing HSA funds in mutual funds or other investments can grow savings for future healthcare costs, making it a valuable retirement planning tool. As we wrap up our exploration of 16 assets to attain financial freedom and retire early, it's clear that some assets shine brighter than others on the path to financial independence. High-yield savings accounts offer stability and liquidity, ideal for emergency funds, while stocks and index funds boast long-term growth potential through market participation and diversification. Real estate investments and dividend-paying stocks provide passive income streams, fostering wealth accumulation over time. Retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, offer tax advantages, maximizing savings efficiency for retirement goals. However, not all assets are without risk. Cryptocurrency and peer-to-peer lending carry higher volatility and regulatory uncertainties, requiring careful consideration and risk management. Precious metals offer stability, but may lack growth compared to other assets, while annuities provide guaranteed income, but can be complex with varying fee structures. What's your favorite financial asset from today's lineup? Whether you're passionate about building a real estate empire or intrigued by the potential of cryptocurrencies, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. For more tips on mastering your finances and achieving financial freedom, don't forget to subscribe to Financial Freedom Basics. Join our community of like-minded individuals dedicated to unlocking the secrets of wealth creation and early retirement. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for our next deep dive into the world of personal finance. Together, let's build a future of financial security and abundance. Thanks for watching.